Are you thinking about buying GreenGeeks web hosting? Well, there are a few things you should know before making that decision. In this video, we'll cover 12 essential points that will help you determine if GreenGeeks is the right choice for your website, comparing it to some of its top competitors along the way. Stick around till the end, and we'll give you a recommendation for a better alternative if GreenGeeks doesn't fit your needs. First up, let's talk about pricing. GreenGeeks is known for being affordable, starting at just $2.95 per month for shared hosting. But here's the thing. While the entry price is competitive, it renews at a higher rate, which is something to consider when comparing it to alternatives like Bluehost or SiteGround. If you're only looking for a short-term hosting solution, GreenGeeks renewal rates may catch you by surprise. Next thing, let's look at performance. GreenGeeks offers fast loading speeds and reliable uptime, with an average uptime of 99.9%. That's pretty good, but if you're comparing it to other web hosts like SiteGround or A2 Hosting, you might notice that their uptime is even higher, usually around 99.98% or more. Speed-wise, GreenGeeks holds its own, but if you're looking for lightning-fast performance, it's worth checking out those alternatives. The third thing you need to know is their customer support. GreenGeeks offers 24/7 support via live chat, phone, and email. They're quick to respond, and their staff is knowledgeable, but when stacked against competitors like HostGator or InMotion Hosting, some users report that GreenGeeks support is a little less proactive when resolving complex issues. Moving on, GreenGeeks has a solid reputation for being environmentally friendly. They offset 300% of their energy consumption, which is a unique feature in the hosting space. If sustainability matters to you, this is a big plus compared to competitors who might not focus on green energy. Next thing to know is their free domain offer. GreenGeeks gives you a free domain for the first year with their hosting plan. While this is a great deal, be aware that renewal rates for the domain can be quite a bit higher than other providers like Namecheap or Bluehost, who tend to have lower domain renewal fees. The fifth thing is the money-back guarantee. GreenGeeks offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is standard for the industry. However, unlike other competitors like Hostinger, which offer longer 45-day or even 60-day money-back guarantees, GreenGeeks' 30 days may feel like a shorter window, especially for those who need more time to test out the service. The sixth thing is about the ease of use. GreenGeeks has a user-friendly interface with cPanel integration, which is great if you're familiar with this popular control panel. However, compared to hosts like SiteGround or WP Engine, GreenGeeks' setup might be a little less polished for beginners, but it's still relatively easy to navigate for most users. Next thing, we have to mention their security features. GreenGeeks includes free SSL certificates and proactive monitoring, which is definitely a plus. However, when comparing security to hosts like A2 Hosting or Kinsta, GreenGeeks may not have as many advanced security tools and features like automated malware scanning or premium security packages, so keep that in mind if security is your top priority. The eighth thing is scalability. GreenGeeks offers a variety of hosting plans, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. But if you're looking for highly customizable plans or premium performance, you may find that hosts like Liquid Web or SiteGround offer more flexibility and higher tier plans for scaling your website as it grows. Next up, their website builder. GreenGeeks offers a free website builder with drag and drop functionality, which is a great feature for beginners. However, for more advanced users or those wanting more design freedom, you might want to explore competitors like Wix or Squarespace, which offer more robust website building tools and templates. The 10th thing to consider is backup options. GreenGeeks includes nightly backups, which is a huge relief if something goes wrong with your site. However, their backup system isn't as flexible as some competitors, like SiteGround, which allow you to restore from backups on demand and have more control over the backup process. Next thing to know is their data centers. GreenGeeks has data centers located in the US, Canada, and the Netherlands, which means your website's data is stored in different regions. While this is great for global performance, it's not as widespread as some other hosting providers like Bluehost or Kinsta, which have a larger number of data centers across multiple continents. Finally, the 12th thing you need to know